Hey everyone, this is Pritham, and today is day 5 of 30 days 30 floor plan in AutoCAD. In this series, we will be learn the complete floor plan drafting from scratch. And as today is day 5, we will be seeing the floor plan number 5, which is about a complete 10 by 10.6 meter 1 BHK residential floor plan in AutoCAD. It will be a step by step tutorial. So basically, this is the plan. It will be a one shot video. So we will be see this is the basically the plan, and you can see that it is a 1 BHK uh, plan with a living room here with its dimension, and its note is given as the exterior wall thickness as the 0.23 meter. Here basically we are going to deal in the meter format. In the previous videos we have seen for the feet and inches, so basically here we are going for the meter format. The exterior wall thickness, that is the 0.23 meter, interior wall thickness, that is 0.15 meter. There will be basically four types of the windows. That will be window 1 will be 1.5 meter, that is about 5 feet. Window 2 will be 1.2 meter, that is 4 feet. W3, that is 2.3 meter, this is the staircase window. This is W3, we take here as the W3. Basically it is taken by the as per the size of the staircase we have taken the window. And the fourth window, that is the ventilators, which is present for this bath and the WC, that will be about 0.6 meter, that is about 2 feet. Okay, so basically this is our plan with 10 feet 10 meter by 10.5 10.6 meter in this direction. We have taken here as the outer exterior wall thickness as the 0.23, interior as the 0.15. Basically here we have taken here, it is the opening, here it is the entry part. Okay, in this entry part we have provided here a main door. After that, here you can see that it is a living room area. Then after, here is the opening. In this opening we can see that there is a lobby part, means there is the open space here present. Then after, you can see that from here you can go upward, like here it is the staircase area. We have provided here as the 20 stairs. We will see in detail how to provide it and what's the landing size and all that. Then after, you can see that when you pass on here, you can see that it is a kitchen part is present here, that we have added the kitchen. Don't look for the dimension, we have just to see that how it is been made. Then the bedroom is about 3 meter across 4.5 meter. Okay, like this way it actually we are going to do it. And you can see that for this bath and all that, we have taken this much part inside. Okay, that we will see how to make it. And for this staircase also we have taken this part outside. So how to do it we will be seeing in detail. So let's get started here with our model. Basically here we are going to deal this model with about 11 step. So the step number 1, that is we are going to set the units and the limits. And then after the step 2, that is the create the layers. We are going to create the different types of the layers. This is the very important step before making a model. This step is very much important, so we can classify that what is our block, what is our text, and what is our the window size and all that things. Okay, then we will be add our wall, door, window, stair, block, text, dimension, hatch. These are some layers of we are going to apply. Then after this step 3, that is the start plan layout. We will be start this plan layout. We will be doing it by room. It will be by the single form, like we will be make a line and try to offset it and make this plan. Okay, so it will be interesting. Then after, we will be starting with the step 4, that is the apply the wall thickness. We are going to apply this wall thickness is as the 0.23 meter and the interior wall as the 0.15 meter. Basically we are going for the offset only. So in that part 3 and 4 are being combined. Okay, then after the step 5, that is the draw doors. We will be drawing the main doors and the internal doors. And the main doors and the internal doors, here we are taken that about let's say what we are taken the dimension of the main door. The dimension of the main door is 1 meter. Same way the internal door is about 1 meter only, but the this toilet part doors are about 0.75 meter. That is the 0.75 meter means 2.5 feet, and this 1 meter means we are taken as the 3 meter 3 feet or 3.28 feet. Okay, so let's take here as the 1 meter only, so it will be easy for us. So we go to our model here. Then the step 6, that is the we will be draw the windows and the ventilators. There are basically four types of the windows we are going to see, we are going to draw. Then we have to create the blocks for the specific window and all that. Then step 8, that is the we will be add the dimension. Step 9, that is the we will be add the text and the note, that we will be adding the multi-line text. Then after step 10, that will be the hatch walls, we will be hatching the walls. Step 11, that is the export as the PDF. We will see it how to export in the black and white format and the colorful format. So let's get started to our model. So by step we will be see. The first step is set the units. Go to our model here. Then after just I will close this part. Here you can see that in the last plan 4 we have seen this model. So you can see and go and see this plan also, how to we have done it. Now let's get started with this plan number 5 by step. So to get started, we will be go to the start. Then in start we will be start with a new model. Just click on this. We are currently using the AutoCAD 2016 version, then 2026 version, and we are going to see how to make it perfectly. So just click on this new. Then a window will this drawing window will open like this, and you can see that the new file has opened of the drawing1.dwg. First of all, we need to set the unit. So for setting the unit, first step, setting the unit, so we have to type here as the un, and then after we have to just click on enter. Then after you can see that the drawing unit window will open like this. In it, the length type we have to choose. In this type we have to choose for the, as the we are going to deal here in the meter format, so we have to choose here as the decimal, and here we are going for the precision as the 0.00. so because 0.23 or 0.15 is our size of the thickness of the wall, so we require this precision about 0.00 meter. In the insertion scale, the units to the scale inserted contents about we are going to take here as the form of the meters, and here the decimal degrees and 0. Just click on OK. The unit for or specifying the intensity of lightning, just choose here international. Just click on OK, and then after you are set with the units. Just Control S and save wherever you want. Okay, so I will just save here with the plan number 5. And in it we are going to save here for the plan 5. It will be basically form in this files of the type. It will be basically AutoCAD 2018 to drawing .dwg. It is the latest part. Okay, so .dwg means drawing format. Okay, so just click on save and it will be saved. Okay, like this way it actually works. After saving the model, we will be see the further step. We have completed the step 1, that is the setting the units. Then the second step, that is we have to define the layers. So basically how to define the layers, as per your if you have seen the previous videos, you have been familiar with it. So basically there are 2 steps. Here you can see that this is the menu bar, this is the total menu bar, and this is the total ribbon area. This part, all this contents is the ribbon area, we call it. And in it, how to set the units, basically the layers option, how to set the layers. So it is directly present here. We have to just click on this layer property, just click on it, and a window will open of the layer properties manager. Here you can add or delete the layers, and when you close it, you can get directed to once again here. But the second way is much more simple. Both ways are simple. When you just type as the LA and click on enter, you can see that when you type as the LA, the layer option has been claimed here. When you just type as the enter, then the same window will open like this. Here you can do the same all the things. Okay, just close it. And if you are, when I just type here as the UN, if you are not getting this option, we have to just on this dynamic input option, right? So if it is not visible here, then we have to go to this customization. In this customization, we have to on this dynamic input. Like here you can see that when I off this dynamic input, the position of this has been gone. When I just on it, you can see that the dynamic input has been on. Okay, like this it works. Now we will be adding the layers. We have seen how to do it. So how to add the layers, just type LA or just click on it. Then the window will open of the layer properties manager. In it we have to add about 8 layers. So basically you can see that here are about 8 layers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8 layers we are going to add. So how to add it? Basically here it is the option present as the new layer. Just click on it, and total 8 layers we are going to add. When you double tap on this layer 1 and just tap here as the wall, same way we have to tap for the second one as the window, then door, then we are going for the hatch. We have to do all these steps because it is very important steps to do. Then this is the text, then dimension, then we are going for this block. In this block we are going for the furniture. In this layer 8 we are going for this what is remaining, wall, window, staircase. We are going for the staircase also here, stairs, let's say stairs. So after that we have defined the layers, but we need to define different colors to them, right? So we can define different colors to them. So basically for the stairs, when you just choose here as the layer option, in it when you just click on this stairs and this white, just choose it, then a window of the select color will open. In it we have to choose for the specific color, just choose it, and I will choose here as the green for the stairs. Then the blocks we can choose any. I will choose this sky blue. Then after dimension we have to choose for this light red. Here you can choose any dimension. For text I will choose here as the yellow. For hatch I will choose here as the gray. For the door we are going for the pink. Then after for this window we are going for this orange. Here is orange present, I will take here as the orange. And for the walls we are going for white only. Okay, then after you can see that all the 8 layers are being set. Just close it, and then after to see it whether they are applied or not, you have to just drag it down, and you can see that all the 8 layers are being perfectly applied. Okay, same way we have added here also the layers option. All these layers are being added. First thing we have to do is this only. Then we have to go once again back to our model. Then after you can see that our layers are being set. Just Control S and save your model. Then after we have to see for the step 3, that is the start the plan layout. So we will be not seeing here, we will be directly seeing into this plan which is present here, and based on it we will be drawing our this new plan. Okay, so how to do deal it with? So basically it is a floor plan 5, that is 10 feet, 10 cross 10.6 meter, and its dimension are basically 10.6 is the width, and 10.61 as the length. Okay, so first of all we will be not dealing with all the steps. We will be just dealing here with the one by one. So we will be first dealing here with the 3 meter in this direction, and we will be offsetting it in the 0.23 format here downward. And then after first thing that we will be make a line here as a 3 meter. Then after we have to offset it. Then once again we have to make it to 4.5 meter as the length as an offset. Then 0.15 as the interior wall offset, and then after 4.5 as the once again offset, and 0.23. Okay, let's get started here with our plan here, plan 5. Here we will be take a line. We have set the units, and then after we have to first of all change the layer as we are going for these walls. So we will be changing here layer to line, layer to these walls, and choose this line in the draw toolbar, or you can type L and enter. Then after we have to just put a point here. After that we have to just on this ortho mode, just on this ortho mode. By it we can we can capture the values in the perpendicular direction in the 0 and the 90-degree format. So the first value is 3 meter. Just enter as the 3, and you can see that it has been taken value. It has been a very small value, so we'll be just moving downward of this ortho, and like this way we have taken here. We can move it to above also. Then we have to on this ortho once again. Then we have to, as it is a 3 meter distance, you can see here it is a 3 meter distance. So to see it properly whether it is 3 meter or not, you can see it as a 3 meter. Okay, then after offset it for the 0.23 as the exterior wall thickness. Just offset it, and you have offset it properly. Then after we have to put here as the value as the 4.5 as the distance length in this format. Then we have to choose here as the 0.15 as the interior wall. Then we have to once again choose this ground part, and once again offset it as for the 4.5 and enter. You can see that it has been offsetted properly. Once again for 0.23, like this way we can offset it properly. So as you see, it is has came very much downward, so we will be just moving it above. Just select this part, then move, then just select it upward. Okay, after that we will be adding a line here. So making a line here perfectly, which is about it will be about 9.61. okay, let it be. Offset it about 0.23 in this direction. It is the exterior wall. Okay, it will be the exterior wall and it will be 0.23. Then we have to offset it once again for about 3 meter, as its distance is about 3 meter. It is the we are offsetting it perfectly like this way. Then we once again offset it for the 0.15 meter. Just enter it like this way. We offset it perfectly. So basically this part has been completely offsetted, and the walls have been perfectly made. Like this way we make the wall in the fast way. Now the further step, that is we have to offset this line that we have made here to this part. This is the lobby part, and this is the toilet area, and this is the staircase part. You can see that all this distance is about 2.3 meter. For the staircase also we have taken here as the distance as the 2.3 meter. So here we will be offsetting as the 2.3 meter. Then after we will be making a 0.15 as the interior wall. Then we will be seeing for the 4 meter and 0.23. So let's get started here. Here we have to just offset it as the let's say 2.3 and enter. Then we have to just drag it and here choose at this point. So just I will close it. And how to do it, you have to just type as the offset, or you can just choose here in this modify. There is a present here option of the offset. You can just type here as the O, enter. This is 2.3. Distance is 2.3. Just click on enter. We have to just choose a line, and you can see that we have directly choose your point. We have then once again choose that line and press here as the distance as the 0.15 as the interior wall. Then after we have to choose once again for the second partition, that is the 4 meter 4 meter distance. Okay, and once again we have to choose here as the 0.23 as the exterior wall thickness. Okay, like this way we have done completely. That is the 2.3, 0.15, 4 and 0.23. All the distance have been perfectly added. Here you can see that for this part it is about 6 meter. So how to add this 6 meter? So basically we have to make a line here. We have to make a line here. Just make a line. You have made a line, right? Then after we have to just click on offset about 0.23 to be entered as this exterior wall. Then once again type it and press here as the 4. No, it is about 6 meter, right? Just click on here as the 6, and you can see that it has been offsetted properly. Then once again choose here as the 0.23 and just click on it. Like this way it has been made, right? Then after we have to just make a line and extend this part, or you can just make a line here also. The distance are different for this part, so we'll be just still here as the 0.23. Now we will be seeing the distances. So here we will be just extending. For extend we have to just here we have to add up to this line. Okay, we can just directly drag to this point here like this, or you control Z. You can just there is a command present, that is the extend. That is just type E and X and enter, and just drag here. You can see that the command has been set and it has been extended. Okay, and when you just click on it, you can see that the further point has been seen perfectly. Okay, like this way it actually works. Trim this part, it is not required, and extend this part also. Like this way we have completed our this part. Now the toilet area. So for this toilet area we will be seeing the dimension of it. So for that we will be just choosing here as the dimension. Here we will be seeing what's the dimension. It is 0.5 from the end. So we will be choosing here as the 0.5. First of all we will be just deleting this, and we will be offset here as the 0.5, enter, and just place it downward like this. Then we have to just once again press here downward as the 0.23 and enter. Then we have to extend this command to this part, and this part, this line we will should be extended to this part. Then we have to just trim this part, it is not required. Trim the unwanted parts that are been not required. Okay, so like this way I have trimmed it properly. For the trimming, there is a command, that is the tr, or you can just directly choose from this modify, and choose this option. In the previous videos we have seen it perfectly, the basic part of it, so I am taking it in the faster way. So after that trimming this part, we just extend this part also to this part. Just once again trim, tr, enter, and just trim it. Okay, same way we have to trim this part also. Okay, we have to extend here. Like this way we have completed this part. Now we will be seeing that it has been offsetted in this format of the 1.2. This is the 1.2 meter distance, but the total distance we have taken here as the exterior wall as the 0.23. But you can see that from this point to this point, it is the total of the 2 meter distance. So how to get this distance? So just I will tab here and choose this part. You can see that it is 2 meter distance. So go to plan 5. In it we have to just offset it to the 2 meter. Offset this line to 2 meter, just enter it. Just we have to choose this line and offset to 2 meter. Once again we have to offset it to about 0.15 as the interior wall thickness, right? Then we have to trim once again, so to be offsetted this part like this here only. Here you can see that it is 1.2 meter as the thickness, okay, of this bath area, and this is the WC. Okay, so for this then we will be just offsetting here as the offset as the 1.2, enter. Here you can see that we have offset it properly. Then we have to just choose here as the 0.15 as the interior wall, and we have to just extend it properly like here, and trim this part, it is not required now. Trim this part also, trim this part. Okay, you can see that the compartment has been made. Now you can see that for this WC, this distance is 0.95, and this distance is about, let's say this is about 0.9, 0.9 by 0.95. So we will be just making here an offset of 0.9, enter, and we have to choose this line. We have to just choose this line, and you can see that the line has been made. So we will be just once again offsetting it to 0.15 as the interior wall thickness. After that we just extend it, or let it be like this way only. We can just trim it, okay, like this way. And now the main part has been completed. We have to deal this part here. This part means the staircase part, how it has been dealt here. So this part has been completed, this part has been completed, this part has been completed. Now the staircase area. So this is the till we here we have came, but from here we don't know the length. So how to add this? So basically here what I have done, that this is the staircase line. Okay, this is the base area here, internal wall here present, and at this level we have taken the uh, position of the staircase. The staircase will be start here, but this is the landing part present, and we have taken the landing part as the 0.1 meter. You can see that 1 meter distance is been taken here, because here for this staircase we have taken here as the 1 meter distance, 1 meter distance offsetted it. Here we have taken the 1 meter as the staircase width. Okay, so the landing part will be the same as the width of the staircase. Okay, so basically how to deal it with like this way. So just we will be going to our model here. We will be just making a choose here as the stairs. In this stairs we just make a line here. In this layer we have to choose the staircase, and we have to make a line here. After this line has been made, we have to just offset it, offset of 1 meter, 1 meter, type here as the 1, and you can see that we have offset it properly. We have to change its layer, so we have to change it layers to wall. After that we have to just extend this command. You can see here it we have to just extend it. We have to just offset once again to 0.23 as its exterior wall thickness. Just extend it like this way. Then after we have to make a line in this perpendicular distance. So for the faster modeling, then extend, and you can see that we have to extend like this way, and you can see that like this way our staircase part has been completed. Just trim this part, and this part, and here we have to trim this part also. This is not required, and you can see that the staircase part has been completed also. Okay, this is the landing area we have made. Now the further details, I will just trim this part also. Wherever the intersection is present, we have to trim that part. How to trim it? Just type TR, enter, and just select that part, and you will be trimmed. Okay, so basically before doing all the steps further of all, we will be just making here the staircase. So it is a very simple step for that. So for that we will be just offset these two lines. So first of all, we will be just making here as the extend to this part, then TR, or just once again let it be. I will just offset this part. We have to now offset it to 1 meter distance. Just offset, type O, enter, and then press 1, and once again we have to just enter it like this way, and same way we have to enter this way. You can see that the orientation has been made perfectly. After that, this is the staircase part, and this is the inner lining. Okay, this is the space between both of them. This is the stair one, means stairs are being present here. This is the landing part, and the stairs will go upward. Okay, so now we will be offsetting it about 0.3. We will be just offsetting about let's say 0.25. We should offset it 0.25. It depends on the criteria of the what the riser we are going to take, and what the details we are going to take. So basically what is the riser and all that we have seen in the previous video also, so I will not take this part here. So to calculate here the size of it, so for that, to calculate the size of this the riser and all that, now we take the generally the riser as the about 0.6 or 0.7. I will type here. For the staircase, to, number of the riser height is being present based on is equal to based on the height of the floor. Basically this height of the floor is about 10 feet, means about 3 meter, or 12 feet, that is about 3.6 meter. We generally take about 10 feet. Okay, 10 feet, we here we have to choose here as the height of the floor as the 10 feet, and here we have to deal this in the form of the inches. 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So the height of the floor will be 10 into 12, that is the 120 inches. And this height of the floor is completed. Then after we have to type here as the number of the stairs we want. Okay, we have to put this value. So the riser height will be will is equal to height of the floor. What will come? It will be about 10 feet into here we will be taking here as the height of the floor as the 10 feet into 12 into it comes as the 120 inches as this value, divided by, we have to take here as the number of the stairs we want. Number of the stairs to be 20. Just it will become as the value as the 0.6 risers. 6 inch of the riser will be taken, inch of riser. So we need to add here as the 20 stairs. Same way we can find it for the stairs. So for the stairs is equal to height of floor divided by riser height. So if the height of floor is 120 divided by number of the riser height, that is 6 inch, or it may be 6.66, it may be 7. Okay, based on that the stairs size will depend, but we can't be use the stairs height greater than 7 or 8. Okay, minimum 8 stairs should be there, 18 stairs should be there. We can take here 16 also, so but we have to take here as the 18 steps. Okay, so here we will be taking here as the 20 stairs. So for that, each stairs tread height will be about 10 inch. Here each tread height is minimum taken as 10 inch. Okay, so for this 10 inch we need to 10 inch means in meter it will be about 250 mm is equal to, it will be about 0.25 meter. So we will be offsetting here as the 0.25. Just type O, enter, 0.25, enter, and offset it upward like this way. And we need to offset it 10 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. Okay, like this way all the 10 steps have been added. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Total 10 steps have been added. Just we need to select this part right here. Then after we have to just select it in the form of the stairs. Okay, then we have to just type here as the trim, tr, enter, and we have to delete this part, inner part. We can just delete this part and trim this part, and just delete this two part, and we can just extend it like this way, and extend. After extending, your stairs looks like this. After that, you can see that total 20 stairs are being completed here, and this one will be a 21th stair for this landing part. So we have to make only the 20 stairs only. So for that we will be just trimming this part, and it will be forming a landing part here. Okay, like this way it actually works. You can add it here, or you can reduce the riser height also. Okay, so like this way it actually works. We can extend it also. In this model I have just trimmed that part. Here we will just extend it, no problem. Then after we have to just choose here as the line. In this line we have to just drag it forward like this way. Then choose this part, and just choose this, and we have to make a line here like this way, and we have to show us that it is been in the form of this layer. Okay, just drag it and make this triangle part like this way. You have to just select all of this. You can directly make it in the form of the polyline also, and then after we have to just choose here as the form of the text. Here you can see that the triangle is not perfectly made. To make it perfectly, we have to just choose here as the polyline, or you can choose here as the, just choose here as the line. Here we will be taking here as the 0.80 in the 30-degree format. So for that, here we will be using here as the 0.2. We have to press here as the tab. Here we have to choose here as the 150 tab, and then after choose here as the enter. You can see that it has been in the form of the 150 mm, 150 as the direction. Same way 0.25 tab, and its value will be 30 tab, and enter. Its value we have taken about, it is 0.2 and it is 0.5, so it is wrong. So once again we will be making a line here. Make a line as the 0.2 tab here, as it is a 30-degree format. Enter it, and enter, and just make a line here, and you can see that a triangle has been made perfectly. Like this way you can make a triangle perfectly. You can select all of this, and type here as the J for the joint. Just enter it, and you can see that it has been joined properly. J, enter. If it is not working, let it be, don't worry about it. Just select all of this and choose here in the form of the text, and you can see that it has been form of the text only. You can just directly drag this part downward also, so for the proper viewing. After that, you can see that the staircase part has been completed. It is the main part, and we have did it perfectly. Like this way it also actually works. I will just make it into a side like this here. After that, we will be seeing the further part of the adding the doors and the size of the doors. Control S once again. In this plan view, we have added the two types of the doors, that is the door 1 and the door 2. Door 1 is about 3.3 meter. We just take here as let's say 3 meter. We have taken here as the 1 meter format and here as the 0.75 meter. So for the door here we just add up something here. Here we have added for the door as the is equal to 1 meter, and door 2 that we have added is equal to here as the 0.75 meter. 0.75 meter means about 2.5 feet, okay, and this 1 meter means about 3.28 feet, okay, as you must know the calculation about it. So we'll be adding this window doors also. So for that we just choose here as the door as the layer. Then after we have to just choose here as the line command. You can see that we have just made a simple window door here with the thickness of it as the 0.3 looks like, or 0.1, okay. So we will be just going our plan here. In it we have to choose here as the rectangle. In this rectangle we have to just drag here and put here as the width value as the 0.1, and then we have to press here as the tab. Don't press enter, we have to press here as the tab, and here we have to put the value as the 1, and once again press here as the tab. After that just click on enter. Then after we have to just make choose here in the draw toolbar here as the arc. We have to just drag it downward, and here we have to choose here as the center, start, end. After that we have to just choose the start point here, end point above, and we have to on this ortho, and in the 90-degree format we have to just place like this, and you can see that your door has been made perfectly. You can make it more accurate also, but I am just as per your wish. You can make give most time to it and make it perfect, but I am just making it in the fast way. Just I will drag it now. Just drag it, CO enter, or you can just make a this block of it. So for making a block of it, just press here as the block, and just choose here as the create. In this create we have to choose here as the door 1. In it we have to specify a pick point. Just choose this pick point. Then after we have to select the object option. Just click on it and enter it. You can see that in this object there is option of the select object. When you just click on it, we have to just drag and drop here and just click on enter, and it will be selected, and you will be seen like this, okay. Just click on ok, and you can see that the block has been made properly. Just CO enter, and choose here as like this. You can see that to directly if it is in the made in the form of the block, then you can see that it is shown like this also here, okay. Now for the door 2 it is about 0.75 meter, that is 2.5 feet. So for that what we do, we generally do here, we go to this we will be not making once again all this step, so we will be just typing here as the scale. For that we just type here as the SC enter. Then after we just choose here as the first base point. Then you can see that here in the scale, specify the scale factor or copy or reference. Here are the two options, that is the copy or reference. We have to just choose here as the reference. For that we have to just type here as the R, enter. We have to choose the 2 point, first point base point, then the second point final point, and we have to just choose here as the distance. So the distance we are going for as the 0.75, and just click on enter. You can see that it has been taken the distance, and you can just measure it by going to dimension, and you can see that it is 0.7, okay. Like this way it actually works. And we have made the windows also, door also. So, and it is also in the form of the block. So just move it here, okay. And now I want to just move it. Just click on it and then press enter, and after that moving to this point, just choose this point. Then we have to rotate it, or just directly mirror it for the faster way. So for mirroring it, there is option present here as the mirror. In this modify, there is option present here as the mirror. Just choose this point and just drag it upward like this way, and just erase the source object. Just click on yes, and you can see that the door has been perfectly made. Like this way we make a door. So same way we have to add for this kitchen part, and this is the bedroom part. So for that we just copy it, CO, choose the base point, then we have to drag here, After that we have to just choose rotate it properly. After dragging to this point, we have to just rotate it properly like this way. We should be on with this ortho, so it will be in the form of the 90 degree. After that you can see that it has been properly rotated. You can see that it is not properly rotated. You can see that the angle is being seen here, so I will just delete it. Once again, CO, enter. I will just copy this once again and choose this part and place it here. And then after just I will arrow rotate, type here. Then we have to choose the base point and tab here above. You can see that now it has been perfectly seen. So same way we have to just move it downward like this way and place it here. After that we have to, for this part, one part has been completed here, okay, of placing the door. Now the second part here is that we have to just mirror it. The same door size is been present, just select it, and there is present option in the modify as the mirror. Here we have to just choose the midpoint of it. So for this midpoint we can choose the two reference here, okay, or you can draw a small line also here as a reference. You can delete that afterwards. So I have made a small line here for the faster modeling. Just choose this. Then we have to just go to this modify. In it we have to choose the mirror, or you can type EMI, and then after just you get a midpoint of it and just drag it like this in the in the form of the ortho mode on, and just press it, and here you can get at erase the source object. Just click here on the no, and you can see that the door has been added perfectly. Same way we have to delete this part, that line we have added, just delete it, and the three doors are now been added. Now we have to add this toilet door. So for that just select it, then press enter. We have to choose this point, okay. So let's see the orientation of it. Here we have to press this part, and here one door, and here one door. So we have to just move this to this part, okay. After that we have to just select it, and once again go to mirror and choose this point and move above. Just click on yes, and you can see that the door has been perfectly made. Like this way it is very simple. Just CO, enter. Now we have to move it downward like here. Every time we have to enter as the CO to be copying it, okay. Just after that type here as the arrow for the rotate, and you can rotate it like this way. I want it in this orientation only. Just click it, and you can see that it has been oriented properly. To place it properly like here, so just type here as the move, and just select that object, type enter, and choose this point, and just off this ortho for some time. You need to on this snap object to get this all this point, okay. So for that we have to on this much point, okay. So for now we just drag it forward like this. Just escape it once again. Just type here just once again place here as this, and choose this point, 2 point. After choosing the point, 2 point, we get the 90-degree format, and you can see that our door has been perfectly placed. Like this way we place the door. Now after placing the door we need to trim this inner part. It is not required, okay. It will be just uh, just tr enter and drag and delete this part, okay. Or you can just when you just click on it you can delete that part. Escape it, control s, and you can save this much part whatever you have added. Now afterwards we have to make the opening here and make the windows. So for that we just make a line here as the L, enter. Here we will be making a line. So for that line we go to our plan. In it you can see that there is opening present here. And one more thing, that till here it was for the 0.15, but for this part it is about 0.23. So I will just delete this part, or you can just offset it as the 0.23 minus of 0.15, that is 0.08. Offset it, offset, press that 0.08, and just drag it forward like this way, and you can just delete this part. Just delete it to see whether it is properly taken or not, the value of the 0.23. Just drag this part, choose this line, and you can see that it is a 0.23 as its dimension it has taken. Just extend this line like this way. Same way it has been taken like here. we have to choose this line, delete this line. Okay, like this way it actually works. Now then after we have to deal with the different things. Here also the same thing has been happened as the 0.25. We have to offset as the 0.08, enter. Then we have to just drag this part here and press EX, extend for extend, and extend like this here. Just select this part, delete it, TR, enter, and delete this part also. Control S, and this plan has been now ready for the next modeling. Okay, so we will be now making a opening here. So go to our plan 5 that we have pre-made. So here we will be seeing the distance here. It is about 1.2 and this is 1.5. So to see the distance, I will choose the dimension tool here. I will provide all of this detail to you in this course. Okay, 1.2. In the resources tab you will get this files. 1.2 it is being present here. Same way we have to choose this as here as the 1.5. Okay, it is the distance of 1.5 as this opening. So for that we will be going to this plan. In this plan we have to just offset here, just type here as the offset, here as the 1.2, enter. So basically we have to just choose here as the wall first of all. Here choose this line, and then after we have to choose here as the wall, and you can see that it has color changed. Now we have to offset it. Oh, enter, 1.2, enter, and just drag it above, and you can see that it has been offsetted upward. Like this way we have to offset it as the 1.5 meter, 1.5 meter as its opening, as it will be a 5 meter as 5 feet as its opening. Just TR, enter, and trim this part and trim this part, and you can see that the opening has been made perfectly. Like this way we make the opening. Then after, now we will be adding for the windows. There are basically 4 types of the windows. So the window 1 as the 3 meter, let's see, window 1 as the 1.5 meter, window 2 as the 1.2 meter, window 3 as the 2.3 meter, window 4 that is the ventilators, that we will take as the 0.6. So for that we will be going for this window 1. Window 1 dimension are about 1.5 meter. Here you can see that there are basically 4 windows. So we will be dealing here with a different approach of making a window. In the previous model we have seen the different approach. Here we will be seeing the different approach. So for that, here you can see that the dimension of it is 1.5. So go to our plan here, plan 5, and in it we will be just making a line. After making a line, first of all you have to choose the layer in which we have to make. Here we have to choose here as the window layer, just choose it. Then we have to choose this line. Then after we have to just choose this midpoint, then press this in the perpendicular distance. Okay, we have to on this ortho also. After that we have to just offset is to its total distance is 1.5 meter, that is 5 feet. So we have to do its half. So 0.75 is the half of 1.5. So just type offset, and then after enter as the 0.75, press above and press below. Like this way it actually works. Then after we have to don't delete this middle part. Then we have to choose the line. Then we have to once again drag from the midpoint to midpoint here. Like this way we have to offset it in this 0.1 format, or 0.1 will be very much, 0.03. 0.03 we have to offset like this to make the inner glasses. Okay, so just drag it and place it like this here. Then we have to just TR, enter, trim this part, and you can see that a window has been perfectly made like this. Okay, now like this way we make a window. Just drag this part, now we have to make a block of it. So for that we have to go to this block, choose this as the create. In this create we have to choose here all these detail are being selected. Here we have to choose here as the window 1. In it we have to pick the 1 point. In this pick 1 point we have to choose the center point, like here. Choose the center point. After that we have to select the object. Here you can see that we have to select the object. Just drag it and select this object, and you can see that these two lines are now been selected also. Just press shift and unselect them, and you can see that only this purge part has been selected. Just click on enter and just click on OK. You can see that in this insert the window is also been present like this. Okay, now we need to add the same window to this part, this. So how to delete here? So just type here as the CO, enter, and choose this base point as we have added here as the base point. Okay, just choose this base point, and we have to place in this middle like here. Just once again select it. Okay, CO, enter. Now choose this base point, and then after we have to just drag here, and here are the two windows being present of this ortho. We have to just choose this endpoint here and just drag downward like here, and place here this window. Same way we have to place this window here in this direction. Just choose this point, then just drag upward and press here. You can see that the window has been placed properly. You can see it properly. Just escape it, and the four windows are now being placed properly. Now we have to add the next two windows, which are in the window 2 format, which is about 1.2 meter. It is present in this direction and this direction. So just this is for this bedroom one and bedroom, and this is the kitchen part. Just to go to this plan. In this plan we have to just type here as the line. In this line we have to just choose this midpoint. It will be in the window layer format only. Just drag it downward, offset it to 0.6, as the 1.2 meters half is 0.6. Just drag it in this way, and then after we have to just make a line here. After that we have to just offset it as the 0.03. Okay, and we have to just drag it upward, drag it downward, and trim it for this part, and your window 2 has been perfectly made. Same way we have to select it, go to this create blocks. In it we have to choose here as the window 2. Here we have to pick one point. Here we will be choosing this midpoint. Then we have to select the object is selected. So just select this part, enter it, and you can see that the object has been selected. Just click on OK, and you can see that it has been in the form of the block. So you can directly insert it from here by just dragging here as the window 2. Just drag it, and you can see that the window 2 is being present here. Like this way we actually do it. So for now we will be just selecting this CO, enter. We have to choose this base point from this end. Okay, after that we have to just drag this to this point, and your window has been placed here. Like this way our 6 windows are being placed. Window 1 and window 2 parts have been completed. Now we have to make this ventilator part. So for that we have to choose here the line in the layer form as the window. Then we have to choose here as the offset as the it will be about total here will be about 0.6 meter window, that is about 2 feet. So we will be offsetting it as the 0.3 in each side. Just choose 0.3, drag it here, drag this to this side. Okay, after that we have to make a line, make this line to this part. We have to offset it about 0.03, offset it upward, offset it downward, 3R, enter. Just trim this part, make a block of this. Just create a block. Then we have to type here as the ventilators. Okay, just pick one point. Here we have to choose this point. Then we have to select the object. Just drag and select this part, enter it, and just click on OK. Then after we have to just select this part, and it is been converted into a block format. Then type CO, enter. We have to just choose this point. Then we have to just drag and select this part. Okay, and window 2 windows are now been perfectly made. 3 types of the windows are been made. Now the last type of the window, that is the window 3, that is about 2.3 meter, which is present on the staircase area here. How to make it? It is very simple. Okay, so here we have to make a different approach. Here are basically three sliding windows are being present. How to make it? So go to our plan. If in it we have to just make a line, we have to select this part, and we need to divide it into 3 parts. Okay, 1 2 and 3. So we have to divide into 3 parts. So for that there is a command present as the div. When you just type whatever command, it is very easy that if you want to divide, you can just type divide. Okay, then after just click on it or just type here as the enter. Then it says that select the object to the divide, just select this line. Okay, then after it says that enter the number of the segment. Here we have to enter the number of segment, that is about we will be taking here as the 3 segment, and just click on enter. Then you can just see that nothing has changed, right? But when you just type here as the line, here we can see the point are being seen here, will be seen. When you just delete this line, you can see that at the bottom there are basically the point being present. Just Control Z. Here I will be just making a line here. Here you can see that when I just divided, it has been divided into 3 parts. Okay, this line is been divided into 3 parts. Okay, and it is been present in the dot format. So how to make this window of the staircase? Just make a line here and just drag it downward like this way. Just type as the space, escape, and then type here as the space once again or enter, and make this command once again. Then we have to just enter it once again, and the point whatever we have added, based on that we have to make a line here. Same way we have to make a line on this point. After that we have to just type here as the L, enter, and here we have to just make a line here. After making of a line, the same approach, that is the offset of the 0.03, enter. We have to offset it upward, offset it downward, then TR, enter. We have to just trim this part, and we have to just trim alternate part. Okay, so we have trimmed this part, right? Just Control S. Then we have to just select this part. After that we have to just go to this block. In it we have to choose this create. In it we have to choose here as the window 3. Just choose a pick point here. Here we have to choose this center point, and here we have to select the object. Here we have to just drag and select this part and just click on enter. Just click on OK, and you can see that it has been formed into a block format. Like this way we have made all the types of the windows and the doors. Control S. The staircase is also been made. Now all the main part has been completed. You can see from the here also that all the main part has been completed. Windows are been added. All this has been added. Now the next part is adding the blocks, and then we will be adding the then we will be adding the this dimension. Then we will be adding the text, and all the details we will be and at last we will be adding the hatch. So for now we will be go to our plan 5. In it we will be adding the blocks. So for that blocks we have to just press as the Control 2. The some default blocks are being present in this AutoCAD. Just to go to this home page, in it we have to choose here as the ENUS. Here we have to choose as the design center. In it we have to choose for the home space planner, house designer, and this kitchen part. Okay, just choose this home space. Then we have to choose this block. We have to just here we have to just to move it downward, just drag it downward, like we can drag it by from here this side. First of all we have to change the layer of it. So go to this layer. In it we have to change the layer to this block. Then we have to just drag it upward here. We have to just drag and place here, and you can see that it is being converted into that form of the bed format. Okay, all the details are being taken by are being present in your software only. You can add here as the chair. Then after we can add here as the dining area, but dining is not we can't place here as this is the 1 BHK. Here you can place a sofa. Then after we can whatever you want you can add it. I will just add a lamp, and I will just add a second sofa here. Then I will go back. The home space planner has been completed. Then we go to this house designer, just double tap on it, go to this block. Then we just we will be seeing for the different things like sink. Here we will be required the sink. Then the shower part is required. Then we have to choose here as the toilet, and what is requiring, we can add a bathtub also. You can place it here at this end, but let it be. For this we will be just adding a shower. You can add on your own whatever required. Just go back Then after we have to go to this kitchen part. In this kitchen part, go to this blocks, double tap on this blocks. Then we have to choose this refrigerator. Choose this refrigerator, place it here. Take this is the refrigerator top. So basically we are making the top view of this plan. Then we have to just add this sink. We have to add this oven. After that, just close it, and you can see that all these details are now been added. So how to add this now to our model? You can see that this is the kitchen part, right? So for this kitchen part, the OTA and the all these details should be made. So go to our plan. In it we have to just type here as the offset. We have to offset it in the form of the 2.5, or you can just enter as the uh, 2 feet or 2.5 feet. We just take here as the 0.6 meter for as the 2 meters 2 feet format, and just drag it above, or let's take 0.75 as 0 as the offset for the OTA. That is 0.75 means 2.5 feet. This OTA as we have taken, just drag it upward once again, and take it here as the 1, enter, or you can just control Z. We can add a bigger OTA like about 1 point, let's say 1 only, and then after we can trim this part, okay, like this way. Then after we have to add this furniture part here. You can just select this and make it into form of the block layers. After that we can add this oven here. First of all, we will be add this fridge refrigerator. Just select it and press it like here, like this way, and it has been added perfectly. Then after we have to add this part. Just add it and place it here. We have to rotate it properly. So for that, just select it, choose this rotate, and in it we have to just on this ortho first of all, and just drag it here and place it here. Just press enter of this ortho, and just drag it like this way here. You can press here, put here also, and change its orientation like here. Here you can see that we can change it orientation like this also. Based on you, whatever you want, you can change it. Okay, this is the furniture part. It is that much I will not take in depth. Whatever in the upcoming videos, if possible, I will make it perfect. Okay, so as we move forward in the upcoming videos, all the detail will be taken perfectly. Okay, you can see that it has been added perfectly like this way. Okay, you can see that the sink and the oven type has been added. The fridge area has been added. Now the kitchen part has been completed. The this bed part we will be adding. So for that we just select it and type here as the M, enter, and move this here. Okay, then we will be adding a lamp here. M, enter, press here as the lamp. Okay, then after we just choose this chair part. Just drag it here. We will add a study table here. So for that we will be adding a table here. Just drag and place a table like here. Okay, and just choose this chair here, and then after we have to rotate it, rotate, and we have to on this ortho once again. All these concepts are the same for every building. Okay, you can see that the chair are been made. Then after we have to add this toilet part area. So for this toilet part area, just I will move this part here of this ortho. Every time we have to on and off this ortho. Okay, just we will place this here. Its size is very much bigger, so we will be just reducing its size. How to reduce its size? Just type SC. Then after we have to just put here as the 0.6, enter, and you can see that its size has been reduced it properly. Just we can place it into the middle of it, and like this way it has been completed. Like this way we can change this shift this part also of this shower. Just select it. We have to rotate it properly. Just rotate it like this way, press M, enter. Then we have to just type here as the M, enter, move it like here upward, and the shower part has been made also. Now we have to press here as the sink area. Sink area is outside present here. Okay, so for that we will be just selecting it and reducing its size to SC, enter. and 0.6 we will be taking here as the 0.6. We have to rotate it properly to the 90-degree format. Just on this ortho, rotate it, press M enter, and just choose it like this way. M enter, take it forward. Like this way we can add a sink here. After that, the toilet part has been completed. Now we'll be moved to this hall area. Just we'll be just putting this furniture here. Just place it here. Select this part, and then after we have to just rotate it arrow, and just place it like here. Press M enter, and we have to off this ortho. Place it here. Like this way we can, this is very much big in size, right? So we will be reducing its size. So how to reduce it? Yes, C, enter. We have to select the object, enter. Then we have to specify the base. We have to just choose here as the scale. We just choose here as the 0.7, and it has been reduced properly. Same way, select it, yes, C, enter, specify the base point. Then we have to just choose here as the 0.7, and you can see that it has been perfectly set. Okay, like this way it actually works. You can just move it to close. After that, we have to make a TV here, a television here. We will just make it here as the 0.1 tab. Here the size of it will be 1.2 or 1.5. Let it be, let's say 1.5. So just move it forward from its midpoint to the midpoint of this line, so it is present here. And we need to add a table also. For that table, we just select this part and choose this as the 0.75, tab 1, tab, and enter. After that, you can see that the table has also been added, but it is in the it is not in the curved format. So how to add it into the curved format? Select it, type F for the fillet, enter it. You can, here is the option of the fillet also present. Just type here as the F fillet. Then we have to just here you can see that the select the first object or the polyline. We just type here as the P, enter. Then after we have to type here as the R, enter. Where we have to specify the distance. Just say that is the about 0.02, enter. Here we have to just uh, type once again as the R, enter. Here we will be taking here as a 0.04, enter. Here you can see that the reference is been seen, and you can see that it has been the form of the fillet. Like this way we make the fillet, and you can see that all the furniture we have added. If you want to add anything more, you can add it also. I will add this much part only. Now one more thing, we will be adding this plant part also. Just go to ENUS design center. Here we have to go to this home space blocks. In it we will be adding this plant also here. Just close it. Then after we will be just typing here as the SC, choosing its size as the 0.6 or 0.7, and placing it M, enter, placing it here also. Okay, here it is the plant present. Same way we will be copying this plant, and here one more thing we need to add is that here we have added the plant, right? Then after we will be just to go to our main plan. What we have to do is, here you can see that it is a veranda present here as the this is the entry level present. Here we have taken as the 1.2 and 1.2. A rectangle is present. So how to add a rectangle here? Just we have to extend this line to this end. Okay, then after we have to offset it about 1.2, enter. Offset it downward like here. Offset this part also like here, and we have to trim this part. Okay, after trimming you can see that it distance will be 0.25 or let's say 0.3. What is it? Let's see, 0.3. It is 0.3. So go to our plan. In it we have to offset it as the 0.03, enter. Then we have to just place it like this way. Okay, forward. You can see that there were basically 4 steps, and we have added. We have to extend it properly, EX, enter. It is for the extend. Same way we have to add it like this way. You can see that the this entry part has been completed. So just Control S and save this your model. Like this way we have done so far. Now you can see in this plan that we have added this plant here. So we'll be adding this plant here also. Just CO, enter. Place this plant here also. Place it here. place, and like this way we have placed the plants. Now the further step, that is the adding the dimension. So we will be adding a dimension here. So here we will be choosing the layer as the dimension. Here we will be just choosing on the ortho, we will be owning the ortho. Here we have to just select it, this part, and drag it here. You can see that in this dimension, that is 0.2300, this much dimension we don't want. So how to reduce it? Just it is simple, just type here as a DMISTY. For the dimension style manager, just type here as it, and the window will open up the dimension style manager. Then after we have to choose here as the new, just type here as the new. Here we have to put the value as the 01. Window will open up the create new dimension style. Just place here as the 01. Start with the standard, just click on this continue. Then the new window of the new dimension will open here. Here we have to put the arrow size as the 0.2, and here the text size we will be taking here as the 0.3. Okay, or it will be very big. Let's see, if it will be very big, then we will be change it. Then in the primary unit, here we have to choose the decimal format. It is correct, that is the decimal. In the precision, we have to choose here as the 0.00, and then after you can choose here as the EM also for the meter format. Okay, just I will not choose here. Okay, just click on OK, set current, and close it. Here we have to delete this part. Then we have to go to this dimension. In it we have to choose this part. Here we have to just choose this part, and see this, that 0.23 is present, but the dimension of it has been very much bigger. So we don't want this much bigger. So just I will type DMISTY, enter it. Then we have to go to this modify. In this modify we have to choose this, go to this text. In it we have to change it to 0.2, and this symbol arrow size we have to go for the 0.1, and just click on OK, set current, and close. You can see that the size of it has been reduced. We can just move it like this way also. Okay, after that we have to add the different dimension here. So I will just move it like this way. We have to add different dimension here. So for that we just move it somewhat upward. Here we just drag it and choose here as the continue dimension. Here I will just drag it like this. Here I will just choose 1.2, 1.5 as the inner distance, 0.95, 1.5, here 4, and here 0.23. This first dimension has been occurred because of the formula that I have used, that is the just choose this dimension. In it we have to choose these two lines first of all. After that we have to just drag it here. After that escape it. Then once again click on this line, and then after we have to just drag it here. Then we have to just choose here as the continue dimension, and just drag it till here, and to place it same way we have to choose the second point and place it, and you can see that the dimension has been placed perfectly. Like this way it actually works. Then after we have to choose the dimension once again. Here we can choose the dimension for this as the 0.2.76, or it is about 2.30. Okay, here the dimension for this landing is taken as the 1 meter, because the this size of this thread is about 1 meter. Okay, like this way we have taken the size. Okay, and the inner size is about 0.3. Just go to the dimension, the inner size is about 0.3. Okay, just Control S, whatever detail we have added. Same way we have to add for this part also, this part. So for that go to this dimension. Every time we don't need to add this for the exterior wall and interior wall dimension. We have to choose this part. Just drag it here. It is 4.5 meter. Then once again take the point. It is also 4.5. Just choose it and Control S. And one more thing, here we have to add the dimension, that is 2 meter, that here we have added. Same way we have to add this dimension also, that is 0.9. You can directly place it here also. Okay, here you can type here as the dimension where we have taken as the 0.95 and here as the 1.2. so don't worry. So the dimension of this 0.15 and 0.15 we will not take. we will be just we have known that it is 0.23 and 0.23, so every time we no need to add it. So now the dimension for the staircase is also been important, so we will be choosing the dimension of the staircase. So it is about 3.5. Okay, it is 3.5 by 2.3. Okay, so now all the dimension have been now perfect. Control yes. So then we have to go for this text part. So last part is remaining, that is text, and then the hatch part. Text part we will be adding by going to this text. Just click on this text, just drag this part and place it here. Then after we have to just type here as the bedroom. We have to change this layer first of all. Here we can change it to this text format, bedroom, and here the dimension we are going for is that 3 cross 4.5, and place here as the meter, and just drag it like this way and place it here, and just select all of this and choose here in this paragraph as the center. After that drag it like here like this way, type CO, enter. Here we can just move it in this of this ortho. Here we have to place wherever the dimension the text we want, you can place it. Okay, here I want for this stairs, here I want. Okay, for this entry part here we want. Then after we have to just change the naming. Here you can see that for this kitchen part, here we will be taking the kitchen, enter. Here it is the 3 meter by 4.5, the same dimension it is present. Then after for this bath area, bath, here we have taken the width as the 1.2. The first of all the width will come, then the length will come. Okay, every time this is the standard way. Then the first of all the width will come, then the length will come. It is the 1.2 cross 2 meter. Then after here the WC is present, just double tap. Here we have to put here as the WC. No need to place here as the dimension, or you can just directly take here as the 0.95, and it is about 0.9 meter, and its door size is about 0.75, so it's okay. Here you can see that its size is very much bigger for this WC, so we will be reducing its size to 0.1, enter, and place it like here. You can change the size for the particular thing also, means a particular uh, this model also, or you can change this size also to 0.15. There is no standard size required. Okay, just drag it and place wherever it is perfect. Okay, after that here it is the living room. The living room is about living room. Here it is about we take it as the 4 meter cross 6 meter as the length, and just press at the side. You can see that it is 4 and this is the 6. Here it is the open, this is the exit, or this is the entry. You call it as the veranda also, veranda, just type here, and its length is about 1.2 cross 1.2 meter. Okay, then after we will see for this part for the kitchen is completed, all this completed. We have to add this part of the stairs, enter. Here we have to put the width as the 2.3, and the length here as the 3.5. Just press it here and control S. You can see that all the dimension are been now perfectly added. The text is also added, all the details are been perfectly added. Now the last step, that is the hatch part. Here you can see that in our here we have added the step 4, that is the apply the wall thickness. Step 5, draw doors. Step 6, that is the draw windows, ventilators. Step 7, that is the create the blocks. Then we have done for the add the dimension. Then step 9, that we have added for the add the text. Now we have added the text and the note. We need to add the note also. So first of all we will be add a note. So for that we go to this text. Here we have to choose the multi-line text. Then just drag here, or you can just choose this part also. Here you can added. I have just added here. Just enter it and just drag this part here. This part is also required for the theory purpose. I have taken here riser. Here I will just type here as the note and provide here we will be taking the layer. First of all, the layer should be text format. Here we have to provide here in the form of the note that all the details like the exterior wall thickness is equal to 0.23 meter. Then the interior wall thickness is equal to 0.15 meter. Then after we have to go for the door sizes and the window sizes. So the door D1 is equal to about it, we have taken it about the 1 meter size. Then D2 we have taken is about D2 is taken about 0.75, that is the 2.5 feet or 0.75 meter, that is 750 mm. Then we have done for the 4 windows that are W1 is equal to W1 was about this here we have to also place the window sizes. Okay, so the window 1 we have taken here as the window 1 as the 1.5 meter, that is about 5 feet. Then window 2 here we will be taking here as the 1.2 meter. Then the window 3 here the window 3 will be about this staircase window, that is about 2.3, whatever we have added here, that is 2.3, we will take here as the 2.3 meter. Then we have to type here as the V for the ventilators that we have added as the 2 feet, that is about 0.6 meter. All the detail we have added perfectly. Okay, like this way we have added all this detail. Only one thing is remaining, that we have to add the naming of naming to this window. So just type CO, enter. Just we have to press here the part, and just I will be just double tapping here and type here as the W1, smaller this size whatever required. Then after just drag it and place it at the center. CO, enter. Just drag it like this way. Just press wherever the windows are present. Control Z. Place it properly by zooming so to be placed properly. Just place here. Place here. Then here is the ventilator parts. Then we have to choose here also. Here this part. You know that these 4 windows are the same, but this is the smaller window, so we have type here as the W2. Same way this part is about W2. Just zoom in and place here as the W2. Here you can see the for the staircase we have taken here as for the W3 as its size. Just choose as the W3. Here we have to choose the ventilators part as the for this bath area as the V for the ventilators. Choose here as the V, enter. Control S, and we have added all the dimension perfectly. Now the last step that is remaining is the adding the hatch. So as you see that we have seen that the last step is the adding the hatch. For that we go to our model here. In it we have to choose here as the hatch. Here is the option in this draw as the option as the hatch. Before that we have to choose here as the form of the in the layer we have to choose the hatch layer. Just to go to this hatch. In this hatch we have to choose for this solid. In this solid we have to choose the by layer. Here in this color format we have to choose by layer, and we have to just drag and place this layer. Okay, but one thing to note that when you just zoom in here and you can't place it like this way, because if this is applicable only when the whole area of it is been taken. Okay, you can see that the whole area of this layer is been present here, so it will be take, but it will not take because you can see that only this much part is been seen here, and it is been connected to this much part. Okay, here if it will be seen this whole part, then only it will be applied. When it is been seen this half part, it will not be applied. Like this way it actually works. So it was very important to note. Just press it and just drag and place. and you can see that the all the details are being seen perfectly for the hatching part. Just zoom out and press here wherever the walls are being present. Okay, just control escape, or here just click on this close creation, and you can see that all the walls are being hatched like this. Control S, and you can see that all the details are being added. One thing remains is that we have to add a text here as the floor plan 5, floor plan 5, that is about the total distance we need to about as about 10 feet, 10 meter. So here I have not added the total distance, so I need to add. Just go to this dimension. In it we have to choose the hatch dimension layer as it, and in it we have to choose for the dimension what is been present, that is the 10.06. I will take it as the approx of the 10, and here we will be choosing here as the dimension as about 10.61. So first of all it is 10 cross 10.6 meter. Okay, 1 BHK floor plan, 1 BHK floor plan. Like this way you make a floor plan 1 BHK. Okay, it's okay. Just select this part. Then after we have to just choose here as the 0.3 and press here as the enter. Then after we have to just choose here the layer. Here the layer will be the text layer, and here we have to choose here as the bold font, and you can see that all the details have been perfectly matched. Okay, just save your control S and save your file. Now you are able to see that this is the same file that we were been discussing. Okay, you have been discussing this file, okay, since starting, and we have completely make the same file like this way. And in that file you can see do not see this grid lines. Okay, right here when you just tab on this icon here present, you can see the grid lines. Okay, so just for to seeing this option in this plan, just control S. Then here it is the option of this grid lines. Just off it, and you can see that the grid lines are been off. Just once again on it. Now the last step, that is the plotting to the exporting as a PDF format. So for that we go to the AutoCAD. In it AutoCAD there are basically three methods to print out. Go to this plot window, that is the we can directly type here as the print, print and enter, and you can directly go to this plot model. You can directly type here as the plot and just enter it, and you get the same model here, same window here as the plot model. Or you can directly choose here from here as the plot, and the same window of the plot model will open. Just after that a window will open like this. By using any of the three method, we will be getting the same window as the plot model. In it we have to deal here with the all these themes. Okay, so here in this page setup name we have to choose here as the none, and in this printer plotter we have to choose the name as the dwg to pdf.pc3. Just choose this file. Then after in this paper size we have to choose for the ISO A3 as per you can choose, but as we make the sheet format, we make it in the format of the ISO A3 297 cross 420 mm. Just choose this format, and then after in this plot area what to plot, we have to choose here as the window format, and then after we have to just drag this part, and whatever we want to take in this window, this file, just drag that part. Then we have to choose the plot offset. We have to choose here as the center the plot, and you can see that it has been center the plot. And here the plot scale, we have to choose the fit to scale, and here the scale we have to choose in the form of the mm. Okay, and we can see its preview also. Just click on this preview. Just you can see that whatever the colorful thing we added, it is being seen like this, because the background color is about black, so white, so it is seen like this only. So just close this, and to we can to see it properly, we have to go into the plot style table. Here we have to choose for the monochrome.ctb to get it in the black and white format. Just click on this monochrome.ctb, and here just click on this. Then the question will appear, that is the assign this plot table to all the layout. Just click on yes, and then after just click on this preview. You can see that you have perfect plan is being seen, and this plan you can share to your client or anyone that you want to share. Like this way we make our plan. Okay, like this way all the details are being seen perfectly, and this is the perfect plan of 10 by 10.6 meter 1 bhk. Just close it. After that, to get into a PDF format, just click on OK after all these steps by placing the name, then paper size, window, center the plot, and then choose there as the monochrome.ctp. Just click on OK. Then we have to set wherever you want. I will save this into the file that I am currently using. I will be sharing you to this file in the resources tab. Okay, present in our course. That is a plan 5 model. Just click on save, and this plan is being saved. Just close it and control yes once again. Then after we have to go to this our wherever you want, uh, the file wherever you are being seen. Go to YouTube. Here we have to choose here as the wherever the plan we have shared. Just choose the where you have saved. Just I will open it in the PDF format of it, and you can see that this is the PDF format of it which is being saved. You can share this file. You can make the changes of it, and change the dimension or the style. You can change the whatever this thing you want, you can change it. Okay, in the upcoming videos you will see the more difficult models, means more practical and more practical sizes of it. So that's it for this video, and we have completed that 10 by 10.6 meter 1 bhk floor plan, which is drafted professionally in AutoCAD. So that's it. If you are interested in taking the course of the structure, like ETAPS and the ETAPS, which is for the structural engineers, then you can go and check out our course in the which is present on Udemy. You can check it by going to our Struct with Pritham YouTube channel, and you can just directly choose the file which is present in this description box, which is present in the bio. And when you just click on that link, you will be get directed to that page where I have just launched the course. And if you are interested, you can take that course. That's it for this video, or day 5, and we will be meet in the day 6. That's it.